This video is designed to give Madison residents a better understanding of the how and why leaves and brush are collected in town every spring and fall. The cleanup area is designed to cover the in-town village area. This is where the majority of the storm water catch basins are located. Cleanup was originally started years ago in an effort to keep the catch basins clear to reduce the likelihood of flooding. Every fall, once the leaves are off the trees, the Town of Madison Highway Department will begin the process of leaf pickup. Residents are encouraged to have the leaves raked to the curb where they will be picked up by an industrial-sized vacuum. Because the leaves are vacuumed up, please don't put them in bags and don't include any brush or other yard waste. Fall pickup is for leaves only. At the town brush site at the end of Ash Street, leaves are deposited and turned into compost over time. Each spring, this compost is screened and made available to the public free of charge. The more leaves the town collects each fall, the more compost is available each spring. Depending on the weather, spring cleanup usually begins in late April into early May. The process is similar to fall cleanup, as residents can bring leaves and some brush to the curbside for pickup, but there are several things to keep in mind. Spring cleanup is not ongoing. It typically runs 2 weeks, after which residents must dispose of the brush on their own. Brush and sticks should be cut into 4-foot lengths and brought close to the curb. Heavy equipment is used for this pickup, and we don't want to damage your lawn if the brush is not all the way to the curb or at least 12 to 18 inches from the curb. Spring cleanup is for small branches and yard waste only. This picture is an example of tree trimmings that are really too large to be included. Please, no building materials, rocks, concrete, or asphalt, and no pet waste. If you are doing a large tree removal project on your property, this is not what spring cleanup is designed for. You should make arrangements to carry off this type of brush on your own. Many Madison residents will remember this site as the old dump or incinerator site at the end of Ash Street. As a former landfill, the Department of Environmental Protection has regulated that no dumping of any kind can take place on this site other than winter snow or hauling in brush. The brush site or dump site is open every Tuesday and Wednesday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. for residents to bring brush from their own property. This is not a site for a commercial tree cutter to dispose of any waste. Each year the site is cleared off and the brush is taken off-site for chipping. The brush is not burned here. Burning has not been allowed on this site for over 25 years. No stumps are allowed, no building debris, trash, or junk. These items can be taken to the Waste Management Landfill located on Airport Road in Norridgewalk, and they're open Wednesday through Saturday. Keep this in mind. If it can't be run through a wood chipper, it shouldn't be brought to the Ash Street site. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact the Madison Highway Department at 696-5378.